In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pin to Screen Wix Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep important elements like a button or a callout visible as visitors scroll, so your content stays accessible and your design feels polished. First, select the element you want to pin. Click it directly on the canvas and make sure you have the correct item highlighted. If your element sits inside a container or stack, double-check the selection using the breadcrumb trail at the top or the Layers panel so you're pinning the intended piece and not its parent or a nested child. Next, open the Inspector pane on the right side of the editor. This panel holds all the key controls for layout, size, and behavior. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see all the settings clearly. Now, go to the Position section. This is where you control how your element sits on the page, whether it flows with other content or behaves independently. You'll see options that determine the element's placement logic, margins, and alignment. Change the position type to pinned. The moment you switch to pinned, you're telling Wix Studio that this element should maintain its place relative to the viewer's experience, rather than moving naturally with the rest of the layout. Think of pinned elements as anchors on the screen that remain visible while everything else scrolls underneath. With the element set to pinned, select Pin to and choose Page. This ensures the element stays fixed in relation to the page area as users scroll, achieving that pin to screen effect people expect. You can then fine-tune where it sits, such as aligning it to the top right with a comfortable offset so it doesn't crowd other content or overlap important sections. Small, consistent padding helps keep your design clean and readable. A few quick tips as you adjust. Keep accessibility in mind by making sure the pinned element doesn't cover navigation or critical text. Use subtle offsets to maintain breathing room. And consider how the element appears on different breakpoints. A pinned item that looks perfect on desktop may need a smaller size or different alignment on mobile to avoid blocking content. And there you go. Once you've selected your element, open the inspector, gone to position, change the type to pinned, and set pin to page, your element will remain visible as visitors scroll, enhancing usability without distracting from your content. That's all you need to create a smooth, professional pin-to-screen experience in Wix